Tired of struggling with low tire pressure or wasting time waiting at crowded gas stations? Imagine having a fast, reliable way to keep your tires perfectly inflated wherever you go. Meet the CRAFTSMAN CMXPTXA1201 tire inflator with digital dual values display. Your convenient all-in-one solution for safer, smoother drives. About the product. The CRAFTSMAN cordless portable air inflator is a compact and versatile tool for inflating car tires, sports balls, and more. It features pre-programmed modes and a digital display for easy, accurate use. With multiple nozzles and cordless convenience, it's perfect for on-the-go needs. Plus, it doubles as an emergency phone charger for added reliability. What's in the box? Inside the package, you'll find the CRAFTSMAN CMXPTXA1201 quick connector, user manual, air nozzles, product description, digital display, operation buttons, valve adapter storage, LED light, USB output, Type-C charging port, air hose port, 12-volt DC port. How to use. First, connect the air hose. No tools are needed, simply tighten by hand. Then set the desired pressure. Once pressure is set, press the air button. Now inflate the tire to the set pressure. The unit will automatically shut off when the correct pressure is met. How to recharge. To charge the tire inflator, connect the included charging cables USB Type-C to the device's charging port and the cables USB Type-A to the power source. The power source can be any USB source, like 5-volt wall chargers, car chargers, etc. Specifications. Safety precautions. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching.